Have you ever seen a shadow puppet show? It's fascinating how simple hand movements can create amazing shapes and stories on a wall. In the vast cosmic theatre, Earth, the Moon and the Sun perform their own shadow puppet show, and we call it a lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipses are celestial events that have captivated humanity for centuries. They occur when the Earth, our home planet, moves directly between the Sun, our star, and the Moon, our celestial neighbor. This cosmic alignment creates a stunning visual spectacle as Earth's shadow is cast upon the Moon. In this essay, we'll explore the science behind these captivating events, understand the different types of lunar eclipses, and unravel the mysteries surrounding these celestial shadow dances. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of our universe. Earth's shadow play. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon. The Earth blocks the sunlight that normally illuminates the Moon. The Earth, Sun and Moon have to be in a straight line for this to happen. Imagine you are standing outside on a sunny day. If you hold a ball in front of the Sun, it casts a shadow on the ground. A lunar eclipse is similar. The Earth is like the ball and the Moon is like the ground. Instead of sunlight, it's the Earth's shadow that falls on the Moon. During a lunar eclipse, the Moon doesn't disappear entirely. Some sunlight still reaches the Moon, but it has to travel through the Earth's atmosphere first. This gives the Moon an eerie reddish or orange glow. Eclipses are like clockwork in the universe. They happen because of the precise movements of the Earth and the Moon in their orbits. The Earth revolves around the Sun and the Moon revolves around the Earth. These orbits are not perfect circles, they are slightly elliptical. This means the distance between the Earth and the Sun and the Earth and the Moon is always changing. For a lunar eclipse to occur, several things need to happen at the same time. First, the Moon must be in the full moon phase. This is when the entire face of the Moon is illuminated by the Sun. Second, the Sun, Earth, and Moon must be in a straight line, or nearly so. This alignment doesn't happen very often, which is why we don't see lunar eclipses every month. Section 4. Lunar versus solar eclipses, two sides of the same coin. Lunar eclipses and solar eclipses are related phenomena, but they are quite different. In a lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow falls on the Moon. In a solar eclipse, the Moon's shadow falls on the Earth. Think of it this way. A lunar eclipse is like the Earth's shadow puppet show for the Moon, while a solar eclipse is like the Moon's shadow puppet show for the Earth. Solar eclipses are much rarer than lunar eclipses, and they require special eye protection to observe safely. Never look directly at the Sun during a solar eclipse. Section 5. Types of lunar eclipses. A trio of shades. Not all lunar eclipses are created equal. There are three main types of lunar eclipses: total, partial, and penumbral. During a total lunar eclipse, the entire Moon passes through the Earth's shadow, creating a spectacular reddish or orange glow. During a partial lunar eclipse, only part of the Moon passes through Earth's shadow, so it looks like a bite has been taken out of it. Penumbral lunar eclipses are the most subtle type of lunar eclipse. They occur when the Moon passes through the Earth's penumbra, which is the lighter outer part of Earth's shadow. Penumbral eclipses are often difficult to notice because the Moon only darkens slightly. Section 6. Fun fact: eclipses and the Moon's color. Have you ever wondered why the Moon turns red during a total lunar eclipse? The answer lies in the Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it gets scattered and filtered. The blue and green wavelengths of light are scattered away, while the longer wavelengths, like red and orange, are bent or refracted towards the Moon. This is why we see a reddish or orange Moon during a total lunar eclipse. It's like seeing all the sunsets and sunrises on Earth projected onto the Moon.